Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the UKG Pro Mobile App. First, open the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. If you are using Android, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type UKG Pro. Find the correct app and download it. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open the app. When you launch it for the first time, you will be asked to enter your company access code. This code is provided by your employer. Enter the code carefully and continue. Next, you will see the login screen. Enter your username and password. If your company uses single sign-on, tap on Sign In with SO and follow the instructions shown. After signing in, you may be asked to set up biometric login such as Face ID or fingerprint. This step is optional but recommended because it makes future logins faster and more secure. After that, you will be signed into the UKG Pro app. You can now explore and use its features. To clock in or out, tap the time clock or punch icon on the dashboard. You may need to select a job code or cost center. To view pay statements, go to the Pay section where you can check, download, or share your pay stubs. For time off requests, open the Time module to see your balance and submit requests. To check your schedule, go to the Team or Schedule section to view your upcoming shifts and hours. Thanks for watching.